Luna Classic, LUNC, price may not recover above $0.1 anytime in 2022. LUNC price is attempting to make a comeback but failing to surge beyond $0.00006 levels from the past many days. The bears have restricted the price below these regions and the volume is also not in favor of an upswing. Moreover, the technicals also are extremely bearish, which may wipe out the possibility of the price gulping a couple of zeros in its price any time from now. The asset is still trading within a huge accumulation phase in between the immediate resistance and support levels. Therefore, until the price reaches any of these levels, any major change in the volatility may remain low. Rather than surging towards the upper resistance, the probability of the price plunging to the lower support at $0.00004 appear to be more at the moment. The LUNC price could continue to accumulate within the zone for some more time. Once the buyers get exhausted, maintaining the $0.000055 zone, the asset may be compelled to break down from this range. However, one can expect the price to slice through the support. This breakdown may only be for short time, displaying a fakeout. Here the bulls could enter and uplift the price closer to the resistance. With the Terra Classic price regaining the upper resistance, a significant upward trajectory may be determined. The resistance at $0.000085 is pretty crucial, as a notable influx of liquidity within these regions may propel the price beyond $0.0001. In an extended bull run, the LUNC price may even break out beyond $0.0002 to $0.00025 levels in the upcoming days. But ranging close to $0.1 levels may be extremely difficult and may not happen anytime in 2022. Terra Classic receives a weak long-term technical score of 5 from Investors Observer's research based on historical trading patterns. The proprietary scoring system weighs price movement from recent months to a year, analyzes the coin's support and resistance levels, and where it is relative to long-term averages to determine whether it's a strong buy-and-hold investment opportunity. LUNC currently holds a superior long-term technical analysis score than 5% of cryptos in circulation. This ranking metric is most useful to buy-and-hold type investors looking for strong steady growth when allocating their assets. Coins with a high long and short-term technical score can help indicate assets that have bottomed out, providing investors a chance to buy the dip. LUNC is currently $50.4381025, minus 100%, below its 100-day moving average price of $50.438161092, with its current price of $0.0000585884. Meanwhile, Terra Classic is $0.00000418, minus 65,655,013.64%, above its 52-week low price of $0.0000167554 and $119.18456513, minus 8.39%, below its 52-week high of $119.1846237118. The current price relative to its moving average and 52-week high and low leads to an average long-term technical score of 5. Trends for the long-term trading history of Terra Classic suggest that traders are currently bearish on the coin. Terra Classic has a market capitalization of $383,862,230.62 and a relatively average daily volume with $375,647,718.72 worth of the currency traded over the typical 24-hour period. Over the last 24 hours, lunc's volume is below its 7-day average with 58,249,517.39 exchanged. This coin's subclass digital money. Digital money is an asset, commodity, or currency intended to maintain value and liquidity over time so that it may be used the same way fiat currencies are used. Trading patterns over the last year for Terra Classic leads to the coin's a weak long-term technical score of 5, as its consistency, volatility, and relation to long-term averages has given investors reason to be bearish on the coin. Terra's Luna price is still in an unfortunate situation. Buying early may not be the best idea, but the technical should continue under surveillance for potential entries. Terra's Luna price needs to turn. Terra's Luna price continues to struggle as the bears have forced a rejection at the $2 level. On June 23, the Luna price trades at $1.94 as consecutive doji candles are shown post-sell-off. Unfortunately, the technicals do not show strong signals to believe in a true market bottom. As mentioned in a previous outlook, the bears have control and could aim for the 59 cents VPOC. Terra's Luna price needs to start turning soon to validate any true upside potential. CEO Do Kwon has promised to restore the controversial digital token to normalcy, but unfortunately, his words do not translate into the technicals. For investors to be early, look for a subtle turn in the market. A smart money accumulation pattern is needed to justify an entry. Invalidation of the bear trend and a start of the accumulation pattern could be a breach above $2.35. If this were to occur, the bulls could rally towards $6, resulting in a 150% increase from Terra's Luna price. Terra price flip-flopping around $1.9370 as bulls claw back. Luna price goes nowhere as global markets are starting to track back from the rate hike cycles from central banks. With inflation being tackled, the question is how far central banks will go as further hikes could start to trigger layoffs, kills growth, and outline recession. Terra, Luna, price action has slipped below a critical level outlined a few days ago. As price action moves start to get smaller, a big move is set to happen, but it is very cloudy to see where that move will be going. Until last week it was clear that central banks would keep tightening and squeezing to kill inflation, but this week some changes got mentioned as it becomes clear that further tightening will spark a recession. Should you be part of this cloudy market and not wait until the next step becomes clearer? Terra price looks to continue its downward trajectory backed by the global scenario where central banks are further tightening monetary policy. With this monetary approach, borrowing money gets more expensive, and investors are losing their leverage as returns in cryptocurrencies are not there to pay back and level up from the credit margins that need to be paid for those loans. This explains the cash drain that has been going on these past few months. Luna price, however, sees a slowdown in its downward path as markets are getting puzzled by the mixed signals from several central banks. It almost looks like the Fed is willingly pushing the US into recession with further aggressive rate hikes, while CE banks are signaling that the rate hike cycle is coming to an end by attempting to go for a soft landing. On the back of this, it is best as a trader to stay vigilant as this moment could be the eye of the storm, and everything appears to wind still, awaiting a breakback above $1.9370 before getting long and targeting $2.6987 to the upside with 40% of the gains on the table. Risk at the moment could come from a firm rejection against that $1.9370 and would see another drop in the price action. That would mean that a retest of $1.6139 is being put back on the table and could trigger another leg lower towards $1.3494, which falls in line with the 61.8% Fibonacci level. This amounts to another 30% devaluation of Terra's already troubled price action. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting daily cryptocurrency predictions. If you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly consider liking and sharing our videos with your friend. If you have any questions or contribution, kindly drop them on the comment section below. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.